Hi, I'm Kim from Auburn Hills, and I recently had my basement finished from Basements Plus. A couple years later, I now have had a bathroom added as well. I teach cooking classes and sell baked goods, and we wanted to put a kitchen in our basement, then added a bathroom so that when the customers came for cooking classes, they wouldn't have to go to our bathroom upstairs. We had a few different contractors come in and give us estimates and ideas on how to renovate the space to become a kitchen. And we chose Basements Plus. We felt that the most comfortable with working with them, with their designer and the whole team. Well, of course, I am enjoying this space the most. I'm down here more than I am upstairs because I'm baking or teaching a class and using it all the time. And we even entertain down here as well with friends and family. And yeah, we use the space quite frequently. So I definitely would recommend Basements Plus to a friend. In fact, I already did. Our neighbor was looking to have a renovation done on their bathroom and was asking us for suggestions on who to talk to. And of course, we told them about Basements Plus right away, and they've already called and had a designer out to see what they need done. Thank you so much to Basements Plus for finishing our basement. We cannot be happier. We've enjoyed the whole experience, and we wish anyone who wants to partake in their business to have the same experience. I'm sure that they will.